Want to unlock a property's hidden potential and maximize your real estate returns? Then master the art of calculating after repair value, or ARV. First, head over to Redfin and search for the property you're interested in. Redfin's a great starting point for gathering crucial property data. Pay close attention to the property's details: square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and the lot size. These are vital for finding comparable properties. Now, the key is to find comparable properties, or comps, that have been recently sold in the same area. Look for properties that are similar in size, age, and features to your target property but are already renovated. When analyzing comps, focus on properties that have been renovated to a similar level you envision for your target property. This ensures a more accurate ARV calculation. Create a simple spreadsheet. List each comparable property, its sold price, square footage, and calculate the price per square foot by dividing the sold price by the square footage. This price per square foot is your benchmark. Average the price per square foot of your chosen comps to get a reliable average. Multiply this average price per square foot by the square footage of your target property. This gives you a preliminary ARV. Remember, this ARV is an estimate. Factors like specific finish, location nuances, and market conditions can influence the final value, but with Redfin and these steps, you're well on your way to accurately assessing a property's after-repair potential. Good luck investing.